Although hybrid vehicles have only achieved great commercial success in recent years, the exploration of related technologies actually started early and was even attempted to be applied in the military field. The Belgian Auto Mixte car is one such example. The Auto Mixte hybrid car had an early start, with the earliest technology dating back to the late 19th century when a German designer, Henri Pieper, began the research and development. The first prototype was proposed in 1899, but unfortunately, Henri Pieper passed away in the following year. Regarding this first hybrid vehicle, it used an electric motor for starting, which was a new concept at the time. However, the electric motors and batteries were bulky and inefficient during that era. This hybrid system functioned more as an auxiliary power source, with the internal combustion engine driving the vehicle during normal operation, and the electric motor serving as an engine starter. The electric battery-powered motor could assist the internal combustion engine when the vehicle was climbing hills or in similar conditions. After Henri Pieper's design, another designer redesigned and built a hybrid vehicle in 1905, which was the Auto Mixte. The name was used due to its mention in the patent application process, and it has been called that ever since. Despite incorporating many innovative technologies, the company struggled in the early years of the 20th century. The company produced fire trucks, buses, and power cars, specifically for powering wireless telegraph stations, but the sales of all these vehicle types were dismal. By 1912, several important shareholders had withdrawn, and the company's bankruptcy seemed imminent. To overcome this adversity, the company decided to develop military vehicles. If they could secure orders for military vehicles, the company could potentially turn things around. Thus, the hybrid Auto Mixte armored vehicle was born. This armored vehicle was likely the world's first hybrid-powered armored vehicle. It utilized riveted steel plates to protect the body on all sides, even encasing the rear wheels within steel plates. The front of the engine compartment had a certain degree of inclination, and the overall steel plate protection had a thickness of approximately 4 to 6 millimeters. The combat compartment had an open top and was equipped with two mounted machine guns, initially a type of Belgian-made water-cooled machine gun that fired 7mm caliber Mauser rifle rounds in both semi-automatic and fully automatic modes. However, this machine gun proved to have substandard water cooling system. Nevertheless, the machine gun was not a problem, and replacing it with a reliable model was a feasible option. In the middle of the combat compartment, there was a signal light. In an era without wireless radio equipment, the company hoped to achieve long-distance communication using this signal light. Due to the passage of time, relevant data has been lost, but it can be roughly estimated that this armored vehicle was approximately 5 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and 1.6 meters high, with a crew of possibly 4 people, a driver, 2 machine gunners, and a signal light operator. Because the vehicle was too cramped, it was unlikely to have a separate commander position, so the commander might have also taken on another role, most likely the signal light operator. Unfortunately, this hybrid-powered armored vehicle did not receive recognition from the Belgian military, and there were even doubts about whether it had passed the tests. However, this outcome was not surprising. Under the technological conditions at the time, purely internal combustion engine-powered vehicles were unable to achieve good technical performance, and a hybrid power system was even worse. A set of batteries weighed several hundred kilograms, and combined with bulky electric motors, they provided minimal auxiliary power. Additionally, during normal operation, the internal combustion engine had to drive the heavy electric motor to generate electricity, consuming a portion of the power. The entire system's additional equipment not only increased the burden on the power system but also raised the cost. This technological balance was not resolved until the recent emergence of high-capacity new batteries and the application of related concepts in new energy vehicles.